In a groundbreaking move toward transforming naval logistics, the British Royal Navy has begun trials of the Malloy Aeronautics heavy-lift drone from the deck of HMS Prince of Wales. The test flights, conducted on July 9, 2025, by the 700X Naval Air Squadron, signal a major step in the Navy's integration of autonomous aerial systems as part of Operation HMS, an expansive multinational deployment slated through 2025. The drone tests aboard the aircraft carrier are part of a strategic vision to shift critical supply functions from traditional manned methods to agile, unmanned alternatives. With increasing emphasis on dispersed operations, particularly in contested maritime zones, this technology aims to enhance survivability, increase logistical reach, and maintain tempo under high-risk conditions. Unit 700X serves as the Navy's core hub for unmanned aerial experimentation and development. Specializing in remotely piloted air systems, RPAS, the squadron plays a central role in introducing autonomous aviation into frontline operations. Operating within the Fleet Air Arm, their mission includes refining drone technologies to suit the complexities of maritime missions, from open sea conditions to littoral environments. The drone under evaluation, built by UK-based Malloy Aeronautics, is a vertical takeoff and landing platform designed specifically for logistical utility. Capable of lifting over 180 kilograms and flying autonomously or semi-autonomously up to 70 kilometers, it brings a new level of speed and efficiency to supply chains. Its electric propulsion reduces noise and heat signatures, key for stealth in naval operations, while its modular frame allows rapid configuration for a variety of tasks, from resupply drops to medevac support. This unmanned solution is envisioned to take over resupply missions that are too dangerous or inefficient for helicopters. Whether ferrying equipment between vessels, landing on hostile shores, or reaching small units operating beyond standard logistical ranges, the drone is designed to thrive where human-operated systems might struggle. Its deployment from aircraft carriers like HMS Prince of Wales further confirms its compatibility with full-scale naval operations, even under challenging deck conditions such as gusting winds and corrosive salt air. The testing coincides with Operation HMS, a large-scale military exercise involving over 4,500 UK personnel and assets from more than a dozen allied nations. With operations spanning from the Mediterranean to the Indo-Pacific, this deployment offers a live environment to test the interoperability and resilience of emerging military technologies. Malloy Aeronautics, headquartered in Berkshire, has positioned itself at the forefront of drone innovation for defense clients. Its collaboration with the Royal Navy reflects a growing industry-wide shift toward autonomous logistics, designed to reduce dependency on vulnerable supply chains while expanding the operational toolkit of modern armed forces. This integration of drone systems into Britain's maritime doctrine is part of the wider Future Maritime Aviation Force initiative. The goal is not only to modernize platforms but to rethink logistics itself, making it faster, smarter, and safer. In high-threat theaters, the ability to deliver supplies without endangering personnel is a strategic game-changer. By demonstrating the operational viability of these systems during real-world deployments, the Royal Navy underscores its commitment to leading the evolution of naval warfare. The success of these drone tests not only strengthens British military readiness but also sends a strong signal to allies and rivals alike. The age of autonomous combat support at sea is no longer theoretical, it has arrived.